jail. Load up, load up, load up your rubber bullets. Load up, load up, load up your rubber bullets.
I love to hear those convicts squeal. It's a shame these slugs ain't real.
But we can't have dancing at the local county fair. Sergeant Baker and his men made a beeline for the jail. And for miles around you could hear the sirens wail. There's a rumor going round death row that a fuse is gonna blow at the local hop, at the local county jail.
What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? What you